In today's video, I'll be showing you another package, another unboxing from Temu. Also, I will be posting up like screenshots of everything that I ordered so you can see how it looks like on the Temu app and how it looks in real life. The first thing that I ordered is this workout shirt. As you can see how it came. It is pretty much the exact same thing as on the pictures. Very light. Also, the size was pretty much perfect. I wear a medium, so the size was definitely a perfect fit. This one I highly recommend. Also, the price is very cheap and it's great for the summer. And now let me show you a t-shirt that I ordered. It is the blue one with the little island thing. The material on it is really good. It's super soft and slightly stretchy. So in my opinion, another great pick from Temu. Also great price as well. Definitely worth it in my opinion. I also got this one as well. Is the white one with no sleeves. Also very light. Great for the summer. Perfect sizing, perfect fit. Medium as always. Also highly recommend that one. And then I ordered this outfit right here. I will post a picture so you can see how it looks like. But in this outfit, I gotta say I am slightly disappointed. I ordered a medium, but the size that came in was medium, but it is way too big. In the pictures, it looked like that it was going to be a slim fit type of outfit, but it is pretty big in my opinion. And when I wear it, it is at least a foot longer than expected and pretty wide as well in this area right here. So I'm not sure what I'll be doing with this. I'll try to resell it, maybe return it to Temu or find a way to deal with it. The top, on the other hand, was also big, but not as big as the bottom. Other than the size, the material is pretty good. I wear a medium, but I believe if I ordered a small, it would have been a perfect fit. But this medium, it is simply way too big for me. All right, so that is all I got in this purchase. I have a ton more packages coming from Temu, so make sure you subscribe. Stay tuned for those videos. And as always, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace out.